Today we are going to make some white bread. The recipe was adapted from the website Butter with a Side of Bread. First, need a half cup sugar, we need 1 package instant yeast. We need 1½ teaspoons salt. We need 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Add 2 cups warm water. Gradually add 5 cups of flour. When it starts to look like this, it's time to get in with your hands. Knead it real good. Once you're done kneading, place it in a well-oiled bowl. Cover the bowl and let it rise. After the dough doubles in size, split it up into 2 well-greased loaf pans. Cover and let rise again. Once you see the dough start to peek over the pan, it's time to put it in the oven. Set your oven to 350 degrees. Let it bake for 20 to 25 minutes or till the top of the loaf is golden brown. Butter the top right when it comes out and enjoy. Bon appetit!